1.5E4. Create a story problem for the number sentence below and then solve your problem. So this is going to vary depending on how you do it. But what I do know is my start is 14 and my change is I'm losing 5. So I could say Miss Breed has 14 toys for Tori. Tori loses 5 toys. How many toys does she have left? Or I have 14 cookies. I eat 5 cookies. How many cookies do I have left? I have 14 books. I read 5 books. How many books do I have left? All of those would have been acceptable answers, and then you're going to solve your problem. So I know for 14 minus 5, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this into 10 and 4. So I know that 10 and 4 minus 5 is really my equation, 10, 4, and 5. So I can say, well, I know 10 minus 5 is 5, plus 4 more is 9. So I know my answer is 9. I'm going to scratch all that out because that's messy, 10 and 4. We're going to complete the chart. I'm going to look at this picture and figure out what it is in standard form and expanded form. Well, I'm going to start actually with expanded form. I see 100 plus 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 7 more, which I know is 117. Use relationships to count by 2s, 5s, and 10s to determine the value of the collection of coins below. Okay, so I have my dimes first, then I have my nickels and my pennies. So I know it's already sorted. So I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to switch to nickels. So I'm going to go 40, 45, 50, 51, 52. Now I'm not done yet. I need to make sure I put my cent symbol. Describe the length of the spoon using a number and unit. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is draw it to make sure I'm cutting off the right number of paper clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know the spoon is 7 paper clips long. Draw a ring around the number sentences that are true. Okay, well 8 minus 2 is 6. That is true. 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 1 more is 13. That is not true. 15 equals 15. That is true because they have the same value. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Well, I know 8 and 8 is 16. That's true. 13 equals 31. Nope, because 13 has 1 10 and 31 has 3 groups of 10. Write a number in the box to make each number sentence true. Okay, well, I know 13 and 1 is 14. So I'm trying to figure out 9 plus what is going to give me 14. Well, I solved that right over here. So I know it's 9 plus 5. So over here, I'm going to say, all right, 13 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus something. Well, I know 13 minus 6 is 9 is equal to 12 minus something. So 12 minus what is 9? So I'm going to go 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 3. Look at the number sentence below. Which number makes both sides equal? Mark your answer. Well, I know 9 and 7 more is going to be 16 is equal to 8 plus something. Knowing my doubles facts, I know 8 plus 8 is 16. Kelly says only one number sentence below is not true. Which one is it? Mark your answer. So first I'm going to have to solve. 6 and 4 is 10 is equal to 9 plus 1 is 10. That one is true. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. That is not true. 9 plus 3 is 12 is the same as 6 plus 6 is 12. That is true. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 8 plus 6 is 14 because I know my near doubles. So I know the only one that's not true is this one.